我的专业是翻译，我学汉语，所以我想去北大留学，这是最好的选择，因为在这儿我可以交中国朋友，我可以掌握新知识，这是中国文化的摇篮。
Well, naturally, as I'm doing research in Chinese philosophy, it was a dream of mine to go to China one day. So I contacted Professor Roger Ames, which is a distinct scholar here at Peking University. And I was lucky enough that he confirmed that he would do a research project with me. So I was very happy to come here.
The reason why I chose to study at PKU University is actually quite a fun story. In high school, when I was younger, we were tasked to find a university that we would apply for hypothetically. And I looked for top universities in the world. And then PKU came up, and I saw it, and I realized you can study abroad in China.
The campus is beautiful. The surroundings are very unique, I would say. So the study facilities are very excellent. A lot of nice people, a lot of inspiring people, and a lot of good food, I have to say.
My first impression when I came to PKU University was that it was really beautiful, and also that the people that were in this place were really helpful.
我在北大最想做的是交中国朋友，和去北大图书馆看中文书，因为在俄罗斯中文书我觉得不那么多，所以这是一个非常好的机会。
What I want to do most in PKU University is to exchange cultures, get to know other people, improve my Chinese learning. I hope that I can use all of the different wisdom that I can gather along my journey in life, that I can use the things I learn about other people's culture and being more understanding and understanding human interaction on a deep level.
I would definitely like to contribute to the friendship and cultural exchange of China and Germany. And I would like to deepen my research and understanding in Chinese philosophy in order to make a contribution also to intercultural communication and philosophy.